stepping now into round number 2.
You know, Margarito has always been touted to be a diesel fighter, no? Talagang mabagal pa dito sa umpisa, no?
Yes.
And you know, this first round, pinakita niya ulit na hindi siya ganun kabilis mag-umpisa. Kailangan pawisan pa ng konti. So this is going to be a very interesting second round, na kung saan, in the first round, tinamaan ni Manny si Margarito.
Are you saying that as the fight progresses, he usually becomes stronger?
Well, yeah, that's part of what Margarito is all about, no? He becomes busier and stronger.
Margarito trying to use that jab. Pacquiao got tagged there. Pacquiao attempting to go to the body. His hands now being unfurled. The speed is there. Referee Cole checking the foreheads of both fighters. If anything happened there in terms of contact, malinis naman. 2 minutes and 9 remaining. We're in the second round. Just starting here in this championship battle for the vacant WBC Super Welterweight title.
Yan na, sumusunod na sa katawan si Margarito.
Margarito continues to lead with that left. Pacquiao trying to break that defensive stance down. Pacquiao trying to get some momentum going here. Look at that disparity in height from that angle. Just so clear. And Pacquiao trying to go to the head. Now to the body. He's going from upstairs to downstairs.
Well, you know, if that disparity in height is very clear, kitang-kita rin po natin yung bilis Manny Pacquiao na hinihintay na marami. He has proven that his speed can actually bring him inside the defense of Margarito. But in that exchange, Margarito threw bombs at tinamaan niya si Manny.
Popoy, this is exactly what Freddie Roach does not want for Manny to be pinned on the ropes.
Yeah, sabi nga, opisina ni Margarito yun eh. Yung rope.
Manny now investing in the midsection, although he gets tagged on several occasions. Keep in mind, in the Cotto fight, in the first 4 rounds, he also got hit.
Sa tenga pa, sakit nga daw.
A minute remaining.
Well, in that jab, you can see the long arms of Margarito connected to the face.
Popoy, Wigo, you like that jab. It's a nice, hard-working jab by Margarito. Pacquiao throwing a bundle of punches, 45 seconds remaining. Pacquiao is inside, but not without an answer from Margarito. Margarito, sumusubukan pumasok.
That was the strongest punch so far thrown by Pacquiao, straight to the face of Margarito. But Margarito connecting also with the left jab as Pacquiao was moving away.
That uppercut is also a deadly weapon for Margarito. If he comes in close to Pacquiao, he'll probably use that a lot here. To 22 seconds remaining in round number 2, scheduled for 12. Margarito continues to keep that jab very busy as we enter the last 9 seconds. Both fighters timing, calculating. Pacquiao with a flurry.
Pacquiao Margarito is presented to you by San Miguel Beer. Samahang walang katulad. Clear. Make the switch to zero dandruff. No visible flakes with regular use. Ginebra San Miguel. Ang bida naka-Ginebra. Brought to you by B-Meg Premium Hot Pellets. Kitang-kita ang kita. Pure Foods Tender Juicy Hot Dog. Amoy na amoy ang sarap. Kids can tell. Samurai Energy Drink. Handa sa laban araw-araw. Boysen Wallguard. Water-based dirt-resisting paint. Boysen knocks out the air cleaning paint. And in part by Petron Turbo Diesel. Consace. LBC. Cord Marine Epoxy. Motolite. Shakey's. Elastoseal. Mighty Bond Extreme. With the participation of